Hey guys, it's Drew Coleman, and I wanted to take a minute to review some very important updates for our US clinics and therapists. We at DMK are creating a world of confidence from the outside in, and recently our confidence has been shaken by world events. And to be honest, the speed of the whole thing is really what sets this crisis apart. But regardless of what's happening globally or even in our own backyards, the most successful businesses are the ones that are honest about the challenges that they face and identify ways to adjust to the new environment. With that being said, we are no exception. DMK is and has always been about supporting the licensed aesthetic professional. Recently, almost all of us have been told we cannot do what we love, and that is being with our clients in clinic each day. We know this is for the safety of all of us, but more importantly, it's for our friends, family, and loved ones. Stay-at-home orders have been issued almost everywhere, which gives us a unique opportunity to serve our clients and practice social distancing while our treatment rooms are closed. Historically, we have required in-person consultations for a new client to be prescribed DMK home prescriptives and treatment protocols. Today, this will temporarily change. Why? Because we are no longer able to see our clients until it's safe to do so. But just because we are unable to perform the removing and rebuilding portion of the DMK concept does not mean that our clients cannot protect and maintain the results that we have worked so hard to achieve. We are encouraging you to stay in contact with your existing clients through phone, text, social media, virtual consultations. This also includes new clients that will want to begin basic DMK home prescriptives until they are able to come to your clinic. And yes, given the current stay-at-home orders, virtual consultations will temporarily be a great way to prescribe home prescriptives to existing clients and new clients within a driving distance of your clinic. Many of us have seen posts of clinics directly delivering direct delivery vitamin C to their clients. What a great way to practice social distancing and add value to clients and continue to operate our businesses in a new way. Now, this is not an open recommendation for a clinic in Miami to start consulting a client in Seattle, but it is a way that we can rise to the current challenges and build our businesses in this new environment. Again, we are recommending this is done for existing clients and new clients who are within driving distances of your clinics. The intent is to, again, temporarily help maintain clinic retail revenues when service revenue is no longer an option. We are absolutely still committed to no online selling because this undermines the professional aesthetic industry and competes with clinics and literally takes money out of your back pocket. All the while, you have overheads like rent, staff, utilities, retail stock, marketing, etc. We have all invested in our education, clinics, and by selling online directly to a consumer, this cuts out the professional and invalidates your credentials. So if you know someone who's still supporting their direct-to-consumer brand, now is a time to help them understand the benefits of a professional-only manufacturer. Websites, social media, or any public forum should not display pricing for DMK home prescriptives. Once a price is displayed, this becomes a solicitation and should be removed. Our concept of remove, rebuild, protect, and maintain has never changed. Countries, businesses, products, economies, and even the way we do business has now changed. But our job as the professional, working with our clients and guiding them through challenging times, and our commitment to our concept will never change. When we get to open our treatment rooms again, I look forward to attending all the COVID 2020 open parties where we will be removing and rebuilding with our clients all day long. Till then, let's come together and help clients protect and maintain their skin for the days ahead. I thank all of you and look forward to seeing you soon.